We're celebrating 25 years of Arup in the Netherlands. From a small team in 2000 to 250 passionate professionals today, we've brought Arup's global expertise to local projects, creating a lasting impact. Our projects are more than solutions. They show what's possible when we work together with clients who share our vision for a sustainable future. Through innovation and creativity, we deliver great results. Arup in one word?
In one word.
People.
Yeah.
Great place to work.
Innovative.
Ambition.
Community.
Creativity.
Inclusivity.
The culture.
Potential.
Professionalism.
Dynamic.
Idealistic.
Inspirational.
Freedom.
Together, we're transforming stations into dynamic mobility hubs, renovating and extending the lifespan of key Dutch bridges, restoring national landmarks, and designing sustainable buildings. What's your favorite project?
Patchwork Amsterdam.
Museum Boijmans van Beuningen.
Chihira Sculpture, Tindaye. Delft's Smart Car Data Analysis.
Schiphol System Integrator.
Oman Botanic Garden.
Echo TU Delft.
Het Leadership Development Program.
San Brienenoordbrug.
NTT Amsterdam.
And what about het Stedelijk Museum? One of our very first projects.
I was trying to remember when we first did this project.
The project started in 2003. And we did the design in many years. It was only finished in 2012.
And when did the name, I think it has a nickname, the bathtub, right?
Somebody in a design meeting popped up with, just looked like a bathtub. And then the client said, you should never use that word, never, ever, because we don't want that. But even now, it's still called the badkuip.
But in an affectionate way, right? I hope.
Absolutely so.
None of this would have been possible without our creativity, dedication, and innovative thinking. That's what makes us Arup. As we look to the future, let's continue to shape a better world together. Here's to the next 25 years.